I'm Jen Fellner. I'm an associate professor in the School of Public Health, and I'm in the Division of Health Promotion and Behavioral Science. I teach classes at the undergrad level and at the graduate level, so I teach courses on research methods like qualitative methods, and I also teach courses on action research methods and other emerging topics in public health. SDSU's undergraduate program in public health is really exciting in the way in which students can customize their educational journey, but also come out of their degree with a really core set of skills. So they get the basics in all of our public health subdisciplines: epidemiology, biostatistics, health services, environmental health, health promotion and behavioral science. And they can also choose electives and internship or applied practice opportunities that will really help them hone in on what it is they want to do. So I think one of our big strengths is that we give students a lot of room to figure out what is it that I want to do in this field, and kind of where can I follow my passion, where can I follow what excites me about my training, and then lean into those areas of the training.
Hi, I'm Chris. I am a fifth-year public health student here at San Diego State University, and I currently work in Dr. Elkin's toxicology lab in the Bioscience Center as a researcher. What we do is we look at in vitro toxicity to measure in placental cells that we grow. It's a specific cell line that we look at. We grow them, split them up into experimental groups, and then give them different doses, different concentrations of doses over certain periods of time, and then we can analyze the RNA. The biggest thing I would do is find out what kind of research interests you, what topics are interesting to you and that you really are passionate about, want to make an impact on in that topic, and then find people on campus that are working on that topic in research right now. And if you could meet with those people, if you could find a class that they're teaching, a club that they chair, it's a great way to get involved with the primary investigators that are doing research and mentors that you could have, but also you'll find that they want to help you right away.
Hi, my name's Kushi. I'm a senior and I'm the president of Students for Public Health. If you join Students for Public Health, you're going to get a lot out of it. Not only is it just a place to explore public health, but it's also a place to make friends. Natalia is one of my best friends. I met her through the club, and we've been really good friends for 4 years. Our executive board, we're not just like a board, we're all like a group of friends too. And it's been really helpful to always, have a buddy in class. And just even in addition to that, on a more like professional note, you're able to have a lot of networking opportunities. So meeting with not just faculty, but public health professionals in San Diego and beyond. In addition to all of that, we also do a lot of community service events, fundraising events, and we also try to promote a lot of educational events on campus. Really just give members as much as we can so that they can get a lot out of being in the club, whether that's personally or professionally or academically.
Take a second to really scan our field of public health and see how diverse it is and how many kinds of opportunities there are in the field of public health. If you're really into numbers and statistics, if you're into creating graphs and charts and you want to show people the world through numerical data, that is the place you can go. If you're really excited about the environment and sustainability, that is a place you can go. If you're excited about working with community-based organizations, local health departments, being a member of those organizations, that is something you can do. And so I think that when students say, is public health for me? I say, take a look at the whole field, because I bet you're going to find something that you could be excited about and that will fit with your innate talent, your interests, and your passions.